Hi there, students. Quick verbal instructions before you watch the videos for the activity this week on Tuesday, the 21st. I would like you to just do two things, and both of them are related to the sonnets, okay? If you haven't already, go back and look at the file labeled Sonnet 61 Explored Part 1. That is from our exercise on Friday. And please just explore those 2 pages of vowels and consonants. It shouldn't take you very long at all. Just go through the sheet and really just speak those vowels, speak those consonants. Just get that feeling of the sonnet in your mouth and in your articulators. After that, make sure that you check out the Voice 2 resources folder because there's a file that I've added labeled Sonnet 61 Explored Part 2, and that has 3 things on that one page. First is some dropping in images, which will be explored in the videos to follow. So that's an exercise that I'd like you to do with that list of images and operative words. Underneath that, there's something called Little Big Words. You don't have to do that exercise yet. We're going to do that together in class on Friday. And then there's another thing at the bottom, which again, you do not have to explore. So the only things you're doing are vowels and consonants in that exploration part 1, and the dropping in images with operative words that is at the top of the part 2 page. So look for those in your Voice 2 resources folder. Get yourself something comfortable to lay down on, a couch, a bed, a towel on the floor, and a pillow. Maybe get a notebook if you want to write some things down. But the videos that follow will explore what I'd like you to do on Tuesday for Friday. So just keep focusing on the sonnets, keep working on memorizing the sonnet, and I will see you on Friday, the 24th. Okay, see you then. Bye. Okay, so you're about to do the Linklater dropping in imaging exercise, first with a notebook. So lie down, get comfortable, have a paper with your words written out on it. There's a list of those for you, but I'm just going to demonstrate 4 of them first on this notebook here. I've separated them out, and I'm only going to look at them before I start. So I'm going to breathe in the word first. Just let it breathe down.
Will.
And express it just with vowels and consonants.
Will.
Just feel the word.
Will.
Just speak the word. Just see how it feels.
Will.
Don't have to answer any questions right now. Just express the word. Now I'm going to move on to another word here. The word's open. So I'm going to breathe that in down to my diaphragm.
Open.
Just exploring the vowels and consonants at first.
Open.
And just saying it.
Open.
And then finding a different perspective on the word. Don't overthink it. Just allow it to be impulsive. I'm moving on to the word heavy. Looking at the word, breathing it into my diaphragm.
Heavy.
Just letting that release.
Heavy.
And then just the word.
Heavy.
And then a new perspective.
Heavy.
And then I'll try another word. Once I look at the word, night, I'm going to breathe that down to my solar plexus, my emotional center.
Night.
And just release that on sounds, vowels, and consonants.
Night.
And then I'm going to just say the word again.
Night.
And maybe a new perspective.
Night.
And now we'll move on to a different method of doing this exercise, using verbal prompting from me. Okay, the first thing to do is to lay down and get comfortable and breathe low. Down into the diaphragm, the solar plexus, right in the center of the tummy. Allow yourself to breathe on impulse, breathing in, hearing the words, and exhaling your response. Not thinking about it, just exhaling your response. Here's your first word. The word is will.
Will.
What does it mean to have the will?
Will.
What can you do with a strong will?
Will.
The next word is open.
Open.
Do you remember a time when your eyes were open?
Open.
What can you do to prop something open?
Open.
The next word is heavy.
Heavy.
What does heavy feel like?
Heavy.
Can you imagine yourself feeling very heavy?
Heavy.
The word is night.
Night.
What do you see when it is night?
Night.
How does your body feel in the night?
Night.